Ano, I'm not
Um,
I'm not exaggerating. How you look before is not very different from how you look now.
really? Wow,
Hmm.
thank you so much, Nelson.
And that's a
I don't
compliment,
know.
huh?
Yeah, yeah. Maybe because I at least na-maintain ko ng konti yung weight ko. It helps also, di ba? If you don't gain too much. And that's because of, like what I said, I learned the sport of my hubby. We both play polo. Every weekends, pag nandito siya kasi 6 months of the year he's here, 6 months of the year he's in America or tour or going around the world because he's a professional polo player. So he plays all over the world. Pero pag nandito, pag season dito, naglalaro kami.
So you
Actually,
ride.
I play polo. Yeah, we do.
Taray.
So pagka may season, yan, makikita niyo ako payat ako. Pagka walang season, medyo
Hindi,
chubby-chubby.
yung
Yan.
training pa lang na yun eh. Yung training pa lang ng polo eh. Grabe na.
Yes, yes, yes. Even just the riding, it helps, di
Mm-mm.
ba? So that, and then, I don't smoke, I don't drink. I used to drink, but I don't anymore. Alcohol. So, siguro na isa pa yan sa nakatulong ba? Yeah.
Ay,
And that's
wow.
it.
So wala palang bisyo. Yun ang importante. Kaya fresh looking.
Maybe, ako lang, tingin ko, yun ang nakatulong sa akin. Kasi before, lagi akong puyat or, syempre iba pa rin pagka umiinom, di ba? But Anthony doesn't drink, so that helps. We both don't drink alcohol, I mean.
And plus, you're
And
into sports eh. You cannot drink
we're
when you're
both
into sports.
correct. Yes. And you're handling a 1,500 pound animal, right?
Mm-mm.
So,
Mm-mm.
yes, siguro yun ang nakakatulong para medyo slow down yung aging process.
Plus,
And keep having a
nakakasosyal
positive
ang ano
attitude.
Nakakasosyal ang
Aha.
polo ah.
Ay, nako, nakikisosyal lang ako. Hindi ko naman siya kabayo. Nanghihiram lang ako.
Pero 'di ba when you
Yan,
ride, 'di ba? Very very
nakikisyala-syala
vulgar.
lang ako.